keep going, keep going, keep going.
Keep moving, keep moving.
Hey, James, move out to the second one. Second one.
Watch out, watch out. Come on, Sharon. Come on, Sharon, James. Where we take fire? Move it.
Are you not gonna?
Cobra. Holy shit, what is that? Where's that coming from?
Yo, call it, damn it. Dead man, out of the way.
Move, dead.
Dead man, get out of the way. Dead man, move.
Watch the hill. Hey, cover on that hill, okay?
Dead man, move. Move.
Hey, you on the wall, move. We'll shoot you more. Okay, move up to that next wall. Yeah.
Hold on, hold on.
Zach,
You gotta go up.
move to the next wall. Wait, hold up. Where's that one guy that's all the way up there? He's on the right side of the hill. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I'll cover you. Ready? Ready? Wait. You go up and I'll cover. Dude, come on. You got the stubby. Stubby. Go. I'm right behind you, dude. Watch out. Behind the building. Cover left.
Reloading.
Zach, you get the building, I got the hill.
Hey, there's a guy there.
Hey guys, someone needs to move up to the next one right here.
Hey, he keeps flopping around.
I hit.
Oh, shit, he's behind us.
Hey. Hey Zach, move up to that one right there.
Zach, go. Wait. Okay. What the fuck up?
Chill out, guys. Come on.
There's a guy that just went behind us. He's behind that left one.
How about James? Alright, Zach, move up. I got
I
you.
just pelted him. Zach, go.
Zach.
Come on, I'm right behind you, bro, I swear. Alright?
Zach, go. James is already right there. Go up.
Look! Hey, can you drag me back to medic? Can you drag me back to medic?
What's your point?
I need to sit here.
Hey Zach, how we doing on the hills over there?
Gun hits.
Gun hit.
Gun hits. Alright.
Gun hit. You go high, okay?
Alright.
I'll stay low.
Oh, gun hit. Where's the shit? They keep hitting me with guns.
Hey Zach, how we doing on the hills?
I got that guy behind the left side.
Any more?
Hey, he got the guy behind the building. Austin, he killed him. Austin, you go up off.
Hey, 60, cover. Hey, hold up, I'm going. Zach, make room.
Ready?
No, he's dead.
Go.
Sniper on the other side of the wall. Right on that corner. Where that curved feature wood is right here. Let's get it out. Hey, Ian, you want to move up to that building? Or is that too risky? I'm going to reload real quick. Now go. Right. Ah! Wait, on the other side of the pool. Right there. Watch it, watch it. Hey! Guys! Zach! Where's Zach at? Hey, Alex! What's it like on that wall? Jordan!
Go, 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 everyone, go! Go, go, go. We're inside! Let's go, guys, let's go! Move, move, move! Holy shit. Holy shit, what is that? Where'd that come from? Yo! Dead man, out of the way! Move, dead! Dead man, get out of the way! Dead man, move! Watch the hill. Hey, cover on that hill, okay? Dead man, move! Fuck. Move! Hey, you on the wall, move! We'll shoot you more. Okay, move up to the next wall. Zach. Hold on, hold on. Zach, go. Move to the next wall. Wait, hold up. Where's that one guy that's all the way up there? He's on the right side of the hill. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I'll cover you. Ready? Ready? Wait. You go up and then I'll cover. Dude, come on. You got the stubby. Stubby. Go. I'm right behind you, dude. Watch out. Behind the building. Cover our left. Cover our left. How about... Zach, you get the building, I got the hill.
Hey, there's a guy there.
Hey guys, someone needs to move up to the next one right
I'm
here.
gonna move up.
Hey,
He keeps walking around.
I hit.
Oh, she's behind that building.
Hey. Hey Zach, move up.
Wait, hold up. Zach, go. Wait. Okay. Shut the fuck up.
Chill out, guys, come on.
There's a guy that just went behind it. He's behind that left one. Left one.
Alright, Zach, move up.
Yeah, I just pelted him. Zach, go now.
Zach.
Come on, I'm right behind you, bro, I swear. Alright? 3.
Zach, go. James is
1,
already
go.
back. Go up. Don't hit.
Hello. Fucking hitting you.
Zach, how we doing on the hill?
I got that guy behind the left side. There's 2 more.
Hey, you got the guy behind
Come here. Somebody come here.
Austin, you go over there. Zach, make room.
There's still 2 behind the hill. Turn it right here.
On the hill now. Okay?
Cover that left, Alex.
What?
Cover that.
Yeah,
the hill.
I got you. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh.
Alright, you're good, you're good.
Oh. Alright, I'm popping up. Hey guys, I'm popping up.
Go, go, go.
Hey, Danny's gonna take you, Jed. What? Danny's gonna take you. I don't know. Just go find Mr. Brian. I know. Why did you get... Where are you finding him first? I don't know where he is. Alright, Austin, make room. Ah, dude, get down. If you guys are moving, you guys will be moving up. No need to come up all this way. Move back.
Shit. I'm in a terrible position right now.
Hey, push back. Push back.
Alex.
Because I wrestled. Alex, hang on. Alex, come here, seriously. Do you think you can push up to that dragon teeth right there?
No, I'm not getting
We'll
shot.
cover you. We'll cover
I'm not
you.
getting shot, dude, I swear. Because that guy's got perfect feet on that.
No,
Alex.
that's why we're just gonna lay down fire so we won't pop up.
Hey!
Alright, come.
Where is he?
Behind the hill, one more.
Hey, get that gun.
Yeah, use your system. No.
Hey, keep an eye on him.
Alright, I will.
Line him up.
Okay, are we gonna move it to that wall or something? Because we need to get attack advantage and take
Alright,
them from
guys.
both sides.
You go to that wall, okay?
Oh, crap, do it.
You go first. 3, 2, 1, go.
Shit. Turn it, turn it. Wait, where did Alex go?
Yeah.
Trying to get to the wall? Yeah. Alright, cover you. Go.
Shit.
Hit.
He shot you.
Are you kidding? Hey, look. Oh, geez.
Just keep going. Are you sure? Keep going?
No, I don't think.
Dad, you're getting hit. Wait. Get down. Out of the way. Dad, come on. Are you still shooting? Wait, are you live? Oh, shit. I died because James stopped. I had to go around him.
That sounds like it's too high or too low.
Too high. Dad, you need to tighten your thing because it's going to the front of your leg.
I know.
The hell?
It always takes a while to work the bugs out.
Yo, stay low.
Alright.
God dang.
Dad,
You got it, good.
you want to push up again? Or Austin's dead. Austin. I was talking to Austin. I actually said your name.
Thunder be time.
No.
Hit!
Hit! Dad. Back up out of the way and then get Alex to grab you.